The given figure is composed of three triangles, and the given measurements are triangle A side 1, 18 meters, side 2, 20 meters, side 3, 25 meters. In triangle B, side 1, 15 meters, side 2, 25 meters, and side 3, 25 meters. Triangle C, side 1, 18 meters, side 2, 20 meters, and side 3, 25 meters. To solve for the perimeter of the composite figure, we need to perform 5 solutions. First, solve for the perimeter of triangle A. Second, perimeter of triangle B. Third, perimeter of triangle C. Fourth, perimeter of the three triangles. And the last solution is to solve for the perimeter of the composite figure. Now let's solve for the perimeter of triangle A. Since a triangle has three sides, our formula goes this way. P or perimeter is equal to side 1 or S1 plus side 2 or S2 plus side 3 or S3. Then P is equal to 18 meters, which is the measurement of side 1, plus 20 meters side 2, plus 25 meters side 3. Add up all the sides, 18 meters plus 20 meters plus 25 meters. The perimeter of the triangle A is 63 meters. Now let's proceed to triangle B. We will use the same formula. P is equal to side 1 or S1 plus side 2 or S2 plus side 3 or S3. Then P is equal to 15 meters side 1 plus 25 meters plus 25 meters. Then P or the perimeter of the triangle B is 65 meters. Then solve for the perimeter of triangle C. Triangle C has the same measurement as triangle A. Then we will use the same solution. P is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Then P is equal to 18 meters plus 20 meters plus 25 meters. P is equal to 63 meters. So the perimeter of triangle C is 63 meters. Let's solve for the perimeter of the three triangles. We have P is equal to triangle A plus triangle B plus triangle C. To solve for that perimeter of the three triangles, just add up the perimeter of the three triangles. We have P is equal to 63 meters for triangle A plus 65 meters for triangle B plus 63 meters for triangle C. 63 plus 65 plus 63, the perimeter of the three triangles is 191 meters. And the last solution is solving for the perimeter of the composite figure. If we are solving for the perimeter of the composite figure, we add all the sides around the figure. So the whole composite figure has 5 sides. So our formula will be P is equal to S1 or side 1 plus S2 or side 2 plus S3 or side 3 plus S4 or side 4 plus 5 S5 or side 5. Then P is equal to 18 meters plus 18 meters plus 20 meters plus 20 meters plus 15 meters. Then add 18 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15. The perimeter of the composite figure is 91 meters.